it's Betsy, and today is one of my favorite videos to do, and that is the October 2020 Magic Candle Company subscription box unboxing. Now, I purchased this myself. It retails for, I think, $24.99 a month, and it is a different scent, and it comes with a room spray, a car freshie, a candle, some wax melts, so it's a really good deal. And part of the thing that I love about this is it is based on either hotels or different attractions, things like that at Disney properties, which I have been missing Disney like crazy. I am so ready to go back. So it's like, you know, this is something I love to do, and hopefully y'all like it too. So the one thing I will say for sure is the box is always super cute. So if you look at the box, it does look like a suitcase, and I have been subscribed to this, I think now for about 6 months, and I really enjoy it. So when you open it up, it looks like this. So it looks like the fragrance for this month is Pumpkin King. So this is the little felt car air freshener. Super cute. And I don't know what it smells like yet because I haven't smelt it yet. So here is the candle. Oh, it smells like cinnamon. It smells like maybe there's some nutmeg. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like fall. And one thing I do love about these is they are the wood wick candles. So they have a really, they sound like a fire when they burn. So this says is bringing the vacation to you, the Pumpkin King or Pumpkin King. And it's everybody scream for this very special scent. Our Pumpkin King fragrance has a sweet, creamy combination of pumpkin puree with warm notes of butter and sweet vanilla cream. I definitely smell nutmeg, and I definitely smell cinnamon. You know how when you smell cinnamon, whenever you get like that, I don't know, for me, like, what is the cinnamon gum? But you get that taste like in the back of your throat as soon as you smell it. That's what this smells like. Or Red Hots. It smells delicious though. It smells like fall. And yes, I am wearing the same outfit as yesterday. We have another hurricane heading towards us. I don't know if we're gonna get hit by it or not, but just in case, I wanted to get the video up early. So you also get a wax melt. Okay, that smells a little different. This one you can smell more pumpkin and less cinnamon. But, you know, they're hand poured, so I can't imagine. I think they're hand poured. But they're a smaller business. And then you get a room spray. Oh, yeah. Bring on fall. So, all in all, I do like the scent of this. It is, if you do not like the smell of cinnamon, this is very, very fragrant in the smell of cinnamon. But I mean, again, the value of $24 a month. I think it's actually like 20 bucks a month because I pay for 3 months at a time. But the value of it, it just can't be beat. And I enjoy it because it brings me back to my favorite place on earth. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is typically Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But I've said this a million times, we have been inundated so much by new product that I have been posting a whole lot more. Ow! I just gave myself, let's see if you can see it. I gave myself a paper cut with the box. That was not fun. I'm not bleeding yet, but it'll probably scar. But again, I think that this is a great value. I think they're super duper cute. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I don't know if I'm repeating myself. Yep, it's starting to bleed. I don't know if you can see it. Now it's not wanting to focus. Jiminy Cricket. But that's how thin my skin is. Yeah, you can see it starting to bleed. I cut and tear real easily. So blood, that's a trigger warning for you. But yeah, I'll leave them linked in the description box. I don't make any money off of it. I do this because I love the product. But I guess that's it. So we shall see y'all either more this weekend or on Monday.